One moment, human. Get back over here. This guy must be a civilian devil hunter. Anyway, he'll die soon.
Grant him his wish. If you use your power, his death will be painless.
What? No way. I'm a devil first, I just happen to look like an angel. I believe that humans should suffer when they die.
I can't even pretend to get along with you.
Don't be scared. We're going to go to heaven. I'm sorry.
I believe I told you to come with Hayakawa, no? You didn't want to make him kill a girl. You're too kind.
Well, I am an angel.